The rebirth. You open your eyes and find yourself standing in the center of your house. It's quiet and serene, and as grand and impeccable as when you created it. You walk around your house looking at the walls and what you adorned them with. Memories of the person you were when you first placed them there come flooding back. It feels like another lifetime. So much has happened since. You are grateful to be back home. A sense of joy rises inside, and you are filled with a sense of wonder and excitement. You walk through each room, seeing them as if for the first time with a new set of eyes. Suddenly, you feel a need to sink your feet into Mother Earth. Outside, you feel your feet on the ground beneath you and gaze up into the sky. You can feel the sun's warmth on your face as if you are being sweetly kissed by its rays. What just happened, you wonder? Was it real? Was it a dream? Just as quickly as thoughts about the family enter your mind, you hear their voices as a cosmic whisper from within. We are here, sweet one. You will never be alone. We are you as you are us. We live within you and within this house. We are your mother. We are your father. We are your inner child. You are a radiant spark of stardust from the divine. You are all-knowing. You are infinite consciousness, dressed up in your unique human suit and living in your unique world of existence. You have the power to create whatever you'd like. Magic is real, and it's in your fingertips. The storm of darkness was just part of the mission to bring us all back together and to help you remember who you truly are. You place your hands over your heart and can feel their presence within every cell of your body. Tears of heavenly grace run down your cheeks. You gasp quickly and then let out a long sigh. You take another deep, intentional breath in, and with your exhale, you allow your body to relax. You inhale again, this time breathing in gratitude for being alive, for feeling renewed, for feeling powerful and free. You exhale your breath of peace, hope, and love to all. You turn around, and as you begin to walk back towards your house, without any expectation of what's to happen next, you hear the family again as they whisper Ho'oponopono, the traditional Hawaiian message of reconciliation and forgiveness. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.